Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Design C and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, February the 5th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And what are we going to talk about today? Well, we got a variety of things. We're going to talk about our hot tub. Yes, we needed to have it fixed. Was it worth fixing? Should we get rid of it? Should we start looking at an outdoor living room kind of thing? We're going to talk about events in the past week. Yes, we had a craft and chat this past week. We had a sew day, which was for us, not for you, at our club. And we're going to talk about that. And we're going to talk about, what we've been working on, some new projects that I'm working on. And we're going to talk about pop-up sew day. It's coming, so stay tuned for that information. And well, maybe talk about why we don't travel to the capital city of Canada when it's only about 40 minutes away, and that is Toronto. And there's been a lot happening in Toronto lately that scares me, quite frankly. Scares us. So anyways, lots of things to talk about, and I'm sure there'll be even more things when everybody gets involved in the conversation. And I have a new feature that I'm going to try out, and I hope it works today, and that's a night bot. And if you are familiar with lives on YouTube, you will probably know what a night bot is. But we'll talk more about that later today. So, hope to see you then. Today, Sunday, February the 5th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye-bye.